PWG transcends the traditional concept of a wellness center. It embodies a visionary evolution, revolutionizing the landscape of well-being. It's an extraordinary space where cutting-edge technology intersects with holistic health, offering contemporary care for both the body and mind. At the core of PWG is a commitment to bring health and beauty to every corner of the world, making wellness accessible and empowering individuals to live their best lives. They're all about integrating advanced technology with comprehensive wellness, focusing on nurturing not only the body, but also the mind. So, why should you go for PWG? You see, traditional wellness centers struggle to attract customers, dealing with exorbitant operational costs and fierce marketing competition. And then, for network marketing, keeping your team pumped and dealing with an oversaturated market and fluctuating incomes is a real headache. PWG steps in as the solution, addressing challenges faced by both traditional wellness centers and network marketing simultaneously. Plus, PWG has a team of professionals dedicated to providing you with top-notch services. In the traditional scene, PWG operates like a magnet, effortlessly attracting customers worldwide through its network effect, expanding reach across different regions. They run with lower operational costs. PWG avoids the financial strain common in regular wellness centers. And competition, they've got less of it, so they're in a sweet spot for marketing and drawing in customers. Now, in the networking world, PWG serves as a dynamic hub for activities, exploring untapped markets, fostering team unity through events, and encouraging active participation. It extends its reach to individuals not typically involved in network marketing, but passionate about promoting health. PWG transforming team members into business partners reduces labor costs, ensuring stable sales and consistent income. So what makes PWG stand out with the 10 benefits? Branding on us, profit on you. Double inventory, 8% commission, 4 times bonus. Get profit from services, 1% country pool, 1% global pool. PWG affiliate program. Unlocked earnings beyond 150,000 USD per month. Free training. You'll have access to a specialized team focused on your training needs. PWG aspires to establish good health as a norm and synonymize abundance with humanity. What are the key objectives of PWG from 2024 to 2028? 2024, building the foundation. 2025, global expansion. 2026, franchise shift. 2027, accelerated growth. 2028, global milestone. Branches of PWG are progressively being opened around the globe. Indeed, PWG is gearing up to go public. And here's the exciting part. Those early adopters who joined during PWG's initial licensing phase are in for a treat. Not only will they experience substantial benefits, but they also have the exclusive opportunity to become shareholders through special pink forms. It's a fantastic opportunity for the visionaries who believed in PWG from the outset. Leave your legacy. Embrace the opportunity to become a global changemaker with PWG today.